Hi guys, welcome to today's lesson. It's Friday, the weekend is near. I hope you're all doing well. Today, finally, we'll be moving on with The Great Gatsby. So you'll be reading chapter 5 of The Great Gatsby. And in order to help you do that, I've attached a link for the audiobook for chapter 5. It's business as usual with the audiobook. If you want to use it, use it. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to. If you do choose to use it, it'll take you about 25 minutes to get through chapter 5. After having read chapter 5, you will need to answer 3 study questions for chapter 5 that I've also attached to today's lesson. You'll need to make written answers for those 3 study questions. You don't have to upload those answers today, but you will need them for our next lesson because we will be working with them in that lesson. Now that's the second lesson Wednesday, so you'll need your written answers for that lesson. They are homework for that lesson. Also, we'll try to start next week's lesson with a meeting in Microsoft Teams. So I'll schedule a meeting for us at 10 o'clock Wednesday next week. So try to be there, and we'll try to have some live communication, and then I'll tell you what to do in that lesson. But today it's chapter 5 from The Great Gatsby and 3 study questions, written answers for those study questions. Have fun with it, and once you're done, have a great weekend. I'll see you next week. Bye.